I wanted to show you how to access your students' information and answers from Pear Deck. If you go to peardeck.com, I'm on the home page. If you scroll down just a little to recent files, I'm going to click on the session that we were just working on, period 1. If you notice these 3 little dots down here, I'm going to click on it and go to export to spreadsheet. It's going to pop out, creating our document. And there it is. So here are all of your answers that you gave as we went along. And so then you have access to this, and it is located in my export folder, so under my Pear Deck folder, which is automatically created in my Google Drive. So it tells me my exports are right here. Here is where all their answers are, that I can find them. So I might want to make sure that you name your session something that makes it easy for you to find, which means you can also rename your session right there as well.